This is DMG's fully validated and integrated 3D digital solution. With DentaMile, Connect cloud-based design software, the entire 3D production process is easier, faster, and safer. Integrated hardware and slicing software simplifies the validated workflow for precise printing on demand. Compact yet powerful, the 3D Max DLP printer is equipped with force feedback technology for faster print times without sacrificing accuracy and quality. You can print a wide range of 3D dental devices with RFID technology to ensure the reliable and automatic identification of resins. The 3D Wash has preset programs that wash the remaining non-polymerized resin from the dental appliance. 3D Cure completes the printing process with 360-degree illumination to lock in the printed device's mechanical properties. LuxaPrint resins are high quality, light cured, and can be used seamlessly with DLP printers that work at a wavelength of 385 nanometers. Each resin possesses its own unique characteristics and chemical makeup, and come in convenient 1,000, 500, and 200 gram bottles. With LuxaPrint Tray, you can print customized high-resolution impression trays that are free of distortions, dimensionally stable, and strong. LuxaPrint Model helps fabricate highly precise 3D printed models for aesthetically demanding cases. With exceptionally fine and detailed, smooth, non-porous surfaces, quality is never compromised. Used for surgical guides and splints, LuxaPrint Ortho provides the support you can count on with the precision you need. The 99% transparency provides a clear view of your work area. LuxaPrint Gingiva is used to produce gingival masks that aid in the simulation of periodontal status for dental laboratory or master models. Tear-resistant and elastic, you can recreate a lifelike situation in the mouth. With LuxaPrint Cast, cracks are a thing of the past. Simply create residue-free burnout molds like denture frameworks, crowns, bridges, and cast objects that are free of distortions and have a perfect fit. The LuxaPrint OrthoFlex, a biocompatible material for the design of flexible soft splints like bleaching trays or indirect bonding trays. Here's a sneak peek at resins that will be released in the near future. LuxaPrint Base for removable prosthetic bases of all kinds, like full dentures, intermediate dentures, and partial dentures. Revolutionary LuxaPrint Crown for semi-permanent single crowns, 3-unit bridges, inlays and onlays, partial crowns, and occlusal veneers. LuxaPrint Ortho Plus for orthodontic tooth positioners, retainers, and night guards. invite you to discuss the possibilities and explore the next phase of dentistry with DMG's complete 3D printing line.